Look at that, we out here with the cows. So Christian want to go fishing. I said, you want to go fishing?
There ain't no fish out here.
I don't think there'll be no fish, but don't give me a steak. Yeah, that one right there. Uh-huh. So they know what time it is. Look, we got a brown cow. Maybe that one be better. I don't know, that one kind of bony. It's pretty, but I don't know. I don't think there's much meat on the bones. Artificial bait man over here. I don't think he will catch much of nothing. Probably not. There's a whole lot of mess in here. Oh Lord, look at that. That's me. We got the bimini top. Look at that bimini top. I don't think we've seen that yet. We had to put it down. Better for casting fake bait to catch nothing other than a steak. Might catch me one of those. I don't know. Let's see. That would have been in the top. Shit, a little unstable. There you go. He do more unballing of this damn reel than he do anything else. You see the line not long enough. A bait caster. That is code for untwist your line every 3 to 5 casts.
He is lying.
Look, that's what you do.
The first time?
They should stop calling it bait caster and call it pulling. Because that's what y'all be doing. You and your brother, y'all be pulling.
The first time, the line was like 2 years old, so it snapped.
Is that what it was?
This time, I ain't putting enough line on here.
Oh, yeah?
That's what we're going.
Oh, they got a baby cow. I don't know if that one's going to be tender. It would fit in the boat, too.
Where?
The little one right there with the little orange tag. That's probably...
That thing would sink this spot.
Nah. I think it'll fit in the boat. It can hang out right there.
You would need like a baby cow.
No, I mean, right here, it can hang out. I mean, it'll be enough meat for me, I mean. Whatever. So yeah, we go watch him pull it, because this is the second time he already hooked it on the antenna just like this. So second go around of pulling, that's what we're calling it, bait casting. Let's look at these damn maybe we'll catch one. Oh look, I got a bite. Where is it at? There it is, look. A little turtle got this thing. Look. Turtle having a field day. So we found this little pole here. Where the pole at? Let's reel him up a bit. Where that thing at? Right there. Oh yeah. So we're feeding the turtle. Well, I'm feeding the turtle. He's not feeding nothing because he's playing with plastics and a pulling rod. Yeah. Yeah, so we donated that little worm right there. That boy loud as shit. He ain't going nowhere, but it's loud. And let's reel this thing in. Ain't nothing left on there. He done ate it all. Turtles like to stay over here. Yeah, we fed that one. So yeah, that's that. Look, bimini top, we got that. It's on here. This guy, he's still playing with this thing. Yeah, that's what it look like. Back beyond. Yeah. We got lights too. It's just not really dark enough. Yeah, they back there. There's some things, you know. Look at this. New steering that's been in there. What we got here? Oh yeah, we got this. Yeah, so we got a horn over this way. Ooh. See if there's any. No, still no water. I think that's the headlight up there. That's light back there. It's not even plugged in. Oh, there we go. We got some light. You can see that shit. Yeah, look at that. Not quite dark enough. Not dark enough, but yeah. There you go. You can see it. Oh, that'll turn on and start glowing. Oh yeah, that's just the other lights up there. Battery voltmeter. SA12 something. Food and junk in the floor. Yeah, got some food down here. Got some. Let's see what we got. Gotta be a little fatty. Some of these wafers. Look at that. Oh, that strawberry one. Yeah. Funyuns. It is with jet skis. You gotta love them motherfuckers. Them and the fucking wakeboarders. There's something. They are a species of their own. Somewhere they're out there. You go. Them and oh, you catch? What'd you catch? Nothing? What the hell? Damn. I donated a whole worm by the time you played with that one thing. Well, that's the. We're gone. Still be pulling. I'm still hooked up. Probably not. Should just put this on time lapse. It'll probably be 3 to 5 business days and you get another cast. Check. Oh, yeah. Everybody go home, go to bed. Fun. Here we are. Peace. Video more, but it's more of the same. I mean, get a bait casting. You can have all the joys of life like this guy.
There's no joy in that.
I just found this little fish pole in the back of the truck. Who knows what it is or what it's doing, but it had one of those bobbers on it. I mean, shit, that shit's under the boat. But I'm not trying to fish. I mean, we out here. Some little girl's fishing pole. I got it. It'll probably catch something. I'll be back. There we go. We got this 54-inch trolling motor, hand driven. New edition got this bin mini top. Oh Lord, sun break. There we go. This guy, he doing something. He eating. Say he want to go fishing, but he don't fish. It's they don't bite. Yeah, it's probably supposed to be a swimming bait. Look, we're about to die on this fucking boat. About to die on this boat. Tripping and falling. Life jackets are stowed, not worn. Stowed under there. So we got this big old bimini. Look at this. I could stand up in this shit. Yeah. And put my hand over my head. Yeah. Whoa, we're about to die. Look at that boat. I don't know what we can see on this thing, but we're showing something. Oh yeah, look at this little guy. We're gonna cruise over there. Look at us. 30-pound thrust. 54-inch shell. Battery. Not the right battery. It's out my pickup. The little Chevrolet. But look at it. We riding. Yeah. That's how we mount it up. Yeah, see that? Boom. Let's stop right here. Oh yeah. Backwards a little bit. Stop. We were still going. Still pulling. This is not a pole. We got in a lake. Blew the beard up. Dinosaur mosquitoes. They're not bad here. Not yet. Well, I'm gonna go get this little pole. Back that way, see what happens. I'll be back.